The best way to eliminate weeds and not your flowers is an all-natural solution. These 7 weed-killing alternatives are tried and tested and are made with products you might have in your cabinets at home. Check out these all-natural solutions to pesky garden weeds. 1. Baking soda. You can apply baking soda to unwanted weeds any time of the year at a rate of 1 teaspoon per weed. The baking soda must coat the entire plant, including its foliage, with the bulk of the baking soda covering the weed stem. This technique works best on patios, walkways, and driveways. It can also be used as a preventative measure by sweeping baking soda into the cracks in which weeds grow. 2. White vinegar. One quick way to get rid of weeds is to pour or spray a little white vinegar on the offending weeds. This acidic masterpiece is perfect for shrivelling weeds. Just be careful of your flowers. A little excess spray won't hurt them, but accidentally pouring the same amount of vinegar on your flowers as your weeds could kill them. 3. Table salt. One of the most popular methods for killing weeds is table salt. You can sprinkle salt directly on the weeds or even create a salt-water mixture which can be sprayed. To make sure your other flowers don't get hurt with this method, make sure to sprinkle a little salt at the base of each weed. 4. Cornmeal. Want to stop weeds before they even start? The proteins in cornmeal, or specially processed corn gluten meal, stop any seed from germinating and growing. You can also sprinkle cornmeal on grown weeds. It'll kill them just as well as it'll stop them from growing. 5. Boiling water. Perhaps the easiest and cheapest method on this list, using boiling water. Heat up a kettle of water and carefully pour it directly on your weeds for a quick, chemical-free way to purge your garden. 6. Borax. You might not have thought of using this kitchen must-have in your garden, but it's very helpful for killing unwanted weeds. All you have to do is add 10 ounces to 2.5 gallons of water, mix thoroughly, and spray onto the weeds thoroughly. 7. Newspaper. This technique is called smothering, and it's the process of literally weighing down weeds so they have no light, air, or room to grow. Wet some paper and lay it on top of your weeds. You'll get rid of your junk mail and destroy garden weeds all at once. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 21 ways to kill weeds naturally on grass, paving, and driveways. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.